Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Today, look at what was happening previously. Okay, we have a technical target to move all the way down to 1.618, which is 27,000, not 27,000, but 2,700. And yeah, so once again, this is everything that you have to focus on, and you're losing the golden ratio. You've actually, you missed this right over there, and then you try to move a little bit lower. You try to come back up here. You take the stop losses at 3848. Basically, this is nothing more than just a stop loss hunt, in my opinion, because you can see by the end of the day, when you went up to that line, it seems like it just took the stop, but you can see that the body ended below the line right here, the line that is influencing everything currently. So basically, try to move a little bit higher, just a wick closing below the blue line actually, and from here, that's where we still have the chances to drop even way more lower. So the idea still remains to drop down to 2,700. The idea remains to move all the way down to 2,000 and 1,700 levels, because that's where it's a technical target. I've been through this one with you, and watch the Bitcoin update today. Is going to be an important update, very detailed update, by the way, one of the details update that I've done in a while. And it's important if you want to know where the market is going to move on forward. It's really important for you to check out that Bitcoin update. It's going to serve a lot of purpose. And that's pretty much it for this very quick update on Bitcoin. JASMY. I'm going to see you the next one. I love it.